welcome to Jamaican Experience. My name is Gabi.
And it's here, Chris, representing Jamaica here in Frankfurt, Germany. So guys, for today's video, we'll bring you all along with us to the Frankfurt's flea markets. It's like every other Saturday here.
Yeah, every second Saturday.
Yeah.
Only during Corona for the longest while it didn't happen, but since a couple of months now also it is. Are doing it again, yes.
Okay guys, so please
Remember, like, share,
subscribe,
and comment down below. Don't forget that, right?
forget. This is the Apfelstuhl. See me already start walk fast. You are walking in the middle of the road? You're thinking in the middle, we're not going to see so much. Das ist schon so der Weg, ne? Guck, da ist kein Weg.
Ach so, ich dachte, sie wären auch Dings.
Mommy, take time.
Still up film?
Yeah.
Hi everybody!
Maybe now I think we can go in the middle of the road.
Haydi, bitte!
So oben war irgendwie blocked. Ah, do you smell the food? Ah, spot.
Que foi, menino? Alô, que foi que você vai.
This stop looks nice. Look, this looks nice, but it's stained.
Oh, but the material is like Jamaican.
May I tell you? It's L. I think it's a bit big, or
It's a L.
a bit big probably, but I think it could fit. But a bit big.
Check wolfskin is a Frankfurt founded company.
Depends how much it is for the person. That's another one. Wie viel kostet?
Das ist 10 Euro.
10 Euro?
Ja.
10 Euro, Mami.
Marken, ja.
Das ist auf den ersten Blick das Beste.
I don't know. It's a good price. I know, but I not even think I want a real brand. I don't think it's a real brand. Do you think it's a real brand?
Cool.
I mean, es gibt ja Fake Brands all over. Was wenn die hier verkaufen? Oh, food, guys, look at the food. I like the colors. I love the colors. Oh. These are some nice spring looking colors. Wow.
28.
Not bad. That's your style, no? I mean, I guess it really depends if you love it, huh?
Ganz bestimmt.
If you buy it here or
See your school color them.
yeah, Irwin High School.
Everything here.
I love the colors. The colors are really nice.
Nee, du.
We go back on the road, oder?
Nice jump.
Probably can't afford it. If it's homemade and we charge 10.
No. Guck mal, wieder Polo. Ja, aber das ist gut.
Yeah, it looks so ugly that it look pretty again. You know that?
If we had a garden, those tables would look really cool.
Yeah, we don't even have a balcony, never mind a garden.
We can dream.
Yeah. There are big here, there, Jamaica.
What is this?
Handbags. A long time I get no handbag. Das wäre... Yeah, but when I say no. I don't remember this from the 50s or God knows.
Er hätte es halt auch geschafft, aber seine Kellerwand.
From what? I close them?
Fine. Do you want that?
Oh, look cute.
This is you, but it's a bit too big.
Keiner. I like. H&M. Das ist S. Guck, da wo der Maus offen für you. Das ist S.
You know, it'd be funny if we came here Jamaican style and sell bag juice and banana chips through the road, because I think this would be the only place and time would be allowed to do that.
Cut up fruits.
That would be funny. So this is your favorite part?
Ja, ja, ich telefoniere schon die ganze Zeit mit dem. Mit dem Schiff?
Ihr könnt ja auch an.
It's a love weed.
Über den Flohmarkt.
I thought that would be in Hessisch, aber ne.
Haben nicht gesehen.
Lange.
100 Jahre. Geht's dir gut?
Ja. Die auch?
Du hast einen mordzigen Mann, den hast du immer.
Old-time doll.
Remember them two, remember what they named
Aber der
children.
ist doch
I think it was a show, but really early like.
glücklich, weil
Heaven.
das nicht so.
Doch, ja.
Oh, guck mal hier, Bob Marley.
Even in Germany, we have Bob Marley.
Everywhere. Oh, you're right, I hate that, my mother. What's the famous one born in USA? Bruce Springsteen. Hot chocolate, I used to love them.
All these blossoms are good. All the sculptures like in Jamaica.
Yeah, what is it?
Ja, halt Club.
Ja, das nervt. Wir tun auch die Luft.
One partner. Stop.
Nein, nein, schön.
Reiche da geben wir den Anschluss. Можно на 35. Wie wollen Sie ausgehen?
Sind wir hin?
I love that lamp here. Ano man natin no handbag what me like. Still no see no handbag what I like. No, look so bad. Look at the cool stuff over here. Oh, that looks so stylish, oder? That's true. Das Style Staubsaugen. They didn't call that in English.
This is for earrings. That thing is cute. I like it. It's a bit old, but it looks cute. I'll paint it. See, mommy, you could have done better than that. You could have done better than that. You need to paint and come to the flea market.
No.
Mommy, one time we could do a time lapse of you. Ooh, like the color. Could do a time lapse. I like the bag. Look a bit old and worn out.
Now we expect it is a flea market.
But it look nice. And always from that, and things could fit in there.
How about this one here?
So, kann ich noch was Ihnen verkaufen?
Wir gucken.
Gerne.
Darf ich
Ich
das
habe
mal
hier
hier?
von Stella McCartney eine schöne Tasche. Das sind alles Markentaschen. Tommy Hilfiger zum Beispiel. Dann habe ich von Strenes dort eine, bisschen Vintage. Das ist auch Vintage.
Was ist das für eine Größe?
Was?
Was ist das für eine Größe?
Ich weiß nicht, müssen Sie anprobieren. Eine kleine auf jeden Fall.
Ja, ich überlege mir, ob man die... Nee, man sieht sie nicht mehr.
Was
Das ist doch
haben
hübsch, oder?
Sie? Aber ich glaube, für
Ich
Sie
habe
zu klein.
38.
Was haben Sie?
37, 38. Probier mal. Leg mal kurz hier hin, okay?
Wollen Sie nicht an den
Ja, die
Tisch
schon wieder-
festhalten?
Ah, okay,
Sie
verstehe.
können sich hier hinsetzen.
I don't know. Not my
Wollen Sie
thing.
ein Original Gucci-Schuh?
Ja, zeigen Sie mir mal.
Nee.
Nee, ich
Das
habe
war-
noch nie wieder... Ah, nee, das ist zu klein.
Oder wo ist der andere Schuh?
Gucci.
Ja,
Ja, next Mal.
das ist Gucci.
Eigentlich ganz süß.
Ja, das ist was Besonderes. Das ist was Besonderes. An der Verarbeitung.
Ey, wir können alle dauern hier, guck mal. Das da. Something totally different.
Also ich habe selber echte Gucci-Schuhe. Also die
I like it. This is something what normally I wouldn't choose. Guck mal, wie viel.
I think this is for Fahrrad, oder?
Ah, das kannst du überall tragen.
Nee, das ist eine Fahrradtasche.
Angela, okay, that I work all the time, something similar.
Ja?
Feierabendpreis.
Why? Nah, I think this is a Fahrrad, so your things don't get wet.
Ja, for our trips und so, ist halt doch cool. I think how much that would be.
I don't know. Ask her.
Just ask her how much they want.
Entschuldigung? She's gone.
Kostet 30.
30.
Spray Original kostet neu 120. Sie kennen Spray, ne?
Nee, ich nicht.
Okay, dann
Da,
googeln Sie mal.
mir
da
sagt er
kennen
schon
Sie
was.
es.
Na,
Was
kennen
möchten
wir.
Sie für dieses Kleid?
Ja, da will ich 15. Original.
Was original was?
Original sind klein.
Die bekannte Marke, aber okay.
Soll ich Ihnen ein paar bekannte Marken zeigen? Wenn Sie das
Nein, mir geht es ja gar nicht um die
auf
Marke.
bekannten Marken stellen, habe ich
Mir ist die
genug.
Marke ziemlich egal, mir geht es ums Aussehen.
Yeah, me understand it's a brand name, but I spent 30 euro.
You know, look at Look at the chest. The chest.
Gerne eine Foto.
Oh, guck mal hier.
I love it. Maybe not the color so much, but I love it.
Wenn der Türke kommt, nehmen Sie jetzt nicht.
Das ist natürlich schön. Kann sein, welche Klamotte, wenn er dunkel ist, ist nicht so gut. Du musst helfen. Gerne, ja. Ciao, ciao. Tschüss. Nein.
So guys, check out our dinner.
I think that's what I would say good in Jamaica too.
Yeah.
I believe it's Germany's favorite snack in between, kind of street food.
Guys, this is like patties in Jamaica. This stuff. You see them in every corner.
And they have different meat. They even
like
have vegan.
It's a Turkish. It's a Turkish.
Yeah,
meal,
definitely.
yeah.
But I mean, you can have it with pork and you can have it with beef and goat, I believe, and even chicken.
Yeah, that would be idea for Jamaica.
And how it tastes.
Oh, it's so good.
How much you pay for this?
€6.
That's not bad at all.
Mommy, your one was also €6. So I look, Mommy got the dough home.
Oh, got the breezer from. Can you see something? Wait, don't. Basically, I same thing, right? Just different style.
Yeah,
Oh,
one
these are blow cool now.
different style. One in a wrap, one in the bun. You like it? Guys, look at this goodness. Look at this drink. Mommy got a Coca-Cola. This is where we're sitting, right in the middle of the flea market. Really cool here. This is where we bought it. They're closing though, guys. We're really late. Oh God, look how much fun. So guys, you've made it to the end of our video.
Yes.
How did you find our flea market?
But I did like it. It was
Yeah.
not too short because we were a bit late. Typical for us. But I really did enjoy the things there. Oh my God. They got some curiosities there for sure.
Yeah.
And I really did enjoy them. I see some handbags, but they were way too expensive for that price. You can buy them new. Seriously, what's
Yeah.
the sense then in a flea market?
That's what I thought too. Like it's either they were too new and too expensive or too old and not looking too good. Yeah, so that was our experience. We're looking for maybe like bicycles or so. We saw maybe one or two. Okay.
Yeah, I only see men bicycles. I didn't see the lady ones.
Yeah, true.
Because
we
our
didn't see
first
so many.
bicycles we got from here. I think we bought 3 that same day, or did it?
Yeah,
Three,
we got all of them.
long
that
time ago, very much in the very beginning from our life in Frankfurt, Germany.
day. Yeah, so we want to do something like that again because those ones are by now all not working anymore. Yeah.
Alright guys, so that was
Anyways.
it for today.
I hope you enjoyed. Please like,
Share,
subscribe.
yeah, and take care of yourself. Have a great weekend, and wherever you are, take care and bless it. Peace.